everybody, welcome back to Southeast by Midwest. I'm Cassie, and today we are going to be talking about the Benefit Brow Contour Pro Pencil Focus. For those of you who don't know, this is the one that you click down and it's like the color changing pen. So if you want to know more about this and if I like it, just keep watching. As always, before we get into talking about the product, we always disclose, and the disclosure for this video and corresponding blog post is that I received this in my P.O. box. Well, it was delivered to my house. I didn't order it, so I don't know what it is, but my opinions are my own, and as always are 100% honest. Say hi, Baberry. By the way, the shade that I have is Brown Light. So the concept behind this is it's like one of those color changing pens, if you're old enough to know what those are. They're still available, but I hardly see anybody use them. So basically you have a lighter shade here, you have a deeper shade here, you have a definer, and then a highlighter. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch these real quick. Oh, and basically what you do is you push down, and when you want product out, you twist to get a little product out. So lighter, dark, deeper, definer, and then highlight. You can okay, so I haven't done my face makeup or anything like that because that's going to be a different video, but I'm going to go on ahead and kind of show you filling these in. Alright, so as you can see, I don't thread my brows or anything like that. They're already kind of pretty bushy naturally, so I don't have to do a whole lot here. I'm going to fill in this part up here because I have an eczema patch right here, which is making it where hair does not want to grow. And then I'm basically just going to do some little feathery strokes through this upper part. So as you can see, there is a little bit of a difference, but not much for it yet. Now we're going to switch to the deeper shade, and this is actually where my brows get a little sparser. So I have a natural kind of like arch to them, or kind of a shape. So I'm basically just going to keep to that shape and do little flicks because I don't want them to look unnaturally drawn in. The sad thing is on camera they're looking like bold bitch, but in person they actually look really natural. Alright, so now we're going to switch to the definer shade, and I'm basically just going to take this around and clean up basically the shape. Okay, now we're going to have to do the twisty and get more product. Now I'm going to twist this one up too. We're going to go in and highlight. Now some people highlight the whole thing. I only highlight like right there at the arch and under the tail a little bit. Alright, so here we got this eye and here we got this eye. Now, I will say that when I showed this to Travis, he said that this makes this eye look closed off when I have one done and one undone. And I think it's because, you know, when the eye isn't all the way done, it just makes it look really weird. So I'm going to go on ahead and fill this eye in and then come back. Alright, there we go, both brows done. This one's looking a little more archy than this one. I do want to mention you should always keep a little spoolie brush. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on ahead and do my makeup. Alright, so I am back with my completed look. So my thoughts on this product are, I really like it. It is a bit gimmicky, don't get me wrong, but I like the thought of all of the products being in one place. I like the idea of it. Like I said, gimmicky, and I feel like it does not need to be as expensive as it is. Especially for Benefit. I'm probably never going to get a Benefit PR package. I'm never going to be on Benefit's PR list. If this was sent by Benefit, I will probably never get anything else anyway. So this is my 100% honest opinion that I feel like Benefit products are a little bit overpriced for some of their products. Now don't get me wrong, I like some of their highlighters. I love the Hoola bronzer. I love, sorry I'm messing with my hair. I love the Dandelion blush and all that jazz. And don't get me wrong, like the Goof Proof and the Gimme Brow are good, but I feel like there are other brands that are, if not just as good, they're right under them, but the cost is way below them. So from what I remember the price of this being, and I'm going to put it down here so I don't misquote it wrong, I feel like this is a little bit overpriced and a little gimmicky for what it is. But I liked what it was. If it was a little cheaper, I would for sure, you know, keep restocking this. I will probably buy this myself, but I'm not going to keep restocking it constantly like I would some other brow products, if that makes sense. Hopefully you found this video fun and informative. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with all your friends. It really does help. Make sure to follow me on the social media link down below so you don't miss anything. Make sure to subscribe if you would like and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Leave me a comment down below letting me know if you've tried Benefit, what your favorite product is, and if you haven't, tell me what product you would most like to try besides this one. And until next time, bye!